everybody, welcome to Lavi's Kitchen. Today I'm going to cook some Colombian style beans. I use cranberry beans, 2.5 cups. You need a carrot. I usually only add half a carrot. You also need salt, pepper, garlic powder, and adobo from Goya. And you also need 4 cups of water. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to soak the beans. So you take the 2.5 cups of cranberry beans and you put the 4 cups of water. And you're going to bring it to a boil, and you're going to let it boil. The beans have been boiling for 2 minutes. We're going to turn them off, take them off the heat, and we're going to let them rest for 2 hours. The reason why we do this way when we cook them, they cook real fast. Okay, since the beans have soaked already for the past 2 hours, we're going to transfer it into another pot, and we're going to add more water. 6 cups of water, turn it on high. I'm going to put the whole carrot in. The seasonings. I'm going to stir it. And I'm going to close the pressure cooker. The pressure cooker will cook it in about 20 minutes. Or if you don't have a pressure cooker, you can just do it on the stove and it'll still cook about 30 minutes to an hour. I'm going to stir it. I take a fork and I'm going to smash the carrots. I'm going to puree the carrot. So now you let it come to a boil again. The beans, I think, are done. You can see if they're done by put a fork to it and the bean is completely soft. Comes out. Delicious, but they're hot. They are delicious. Very healthy, very filling. Lots of protein. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my videos on YouTube so I can bring you some more home cooked recipes. Bye.